How to get Duolingo Math on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar, and type this link. Now, once you have typed the link, click on search. Now, click on sign me up. Now, tap on join this Google group. Now, click on joining the group. Tap on join group. Now, tap on this link. Now, click on become a tester. Now, go back to your home screen, open up Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Duolingo. Now here you will find an update. Update the application and you will be able to get Duolingo Math on Android. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question on such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.